between baby you and
Oh! TARAS, stunning. No, I love that man's beatbox so much, bro. Bro, his beatbox are not normal, bro. I mean, like, I've reacted to 2 songs for him, 2 beatbox instrumentals so far, and I'm impressed. I'm intrigued to know, I'm intrigued to learn more. So, I'll do a third reaction, right? This one is called Save by TARAS, stunning, bro. I don't know if this is gonna be the same as all the ones that I've reacted to, but it doesn't matter if they are the same or not. I just want to hear some more of his beatbox rhythm, bro, or instrumental, bro. So, hi guys, how are you all doing? I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. And if you guys do enjoy this reaction, remember, leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button. If I could get like 200 likes for this video, then I'll recommend a lot more for Mr. Standing here. And if you guys do have any more beatbox that you'd like me to check out, please state it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to do so afterwards. So subscribe for more, hit the bell icon for more, and you will be seeing a lot more beatbox reaction on this channel. So without further ado, let's see what's up with Mr. Standing here on this instrumental beatbox called Same. I'll see you there. Peace.
tell me something else beside your name. Your name. Our feelings are the same. Same, 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 same. Let's just kiss and fade away. I'm already in your brain, your brain. There is nothing you can change. I will.
Another excellent one, bro. This one is superb as well as the others. Yeah, this one is amazing too. This one is amazing. This one is quite underrated.
I will drive you insane. I'm already in your brain.
What the fuck? Yo, bro's beat is exquisite, bro. Damn, bro. This sound so realistically. It comes as if it's like an actual instrument. When it's not, bro. This is actual talent, bro. This is raw talent. Right? Bro. Damn. This is terrific. This is really terrific, bro. Really terrific. I gotta say, Mr. Taras, bro, keep up the good work. You are doing excellent. Very excellently done. Very, very excellently done, bro.
I'm already in your brain. There is nothing you can change. I will drive you insane. Cause I'm already in your brain. There's really no other plan. You better be kill your pain. Really nothing to lose. No. telling me there will be nothing between. Putting me, gonna win. I know there is something between you and.
Oh my goodness, bro. No, this is what we call a bars beatbox. This is fire. This is literally dope.
And though there is something between baby you and I. Why? I will drive you insane. There is nothing you can change. I'm already in your brain. I know there is something between you and I. Know there is something between baby you and.
Oh! Bro is a walking instrument, bro. I never heard nothing like this in my entire life, bro. Never.
And know there is something between baby you and I.
Wow. 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 Bro is spitting bars. I gotta say, respect. Massive respect, bro. Massive respect. You know what? I respect this man work so much. Please, please, guys, please. State your next suggestion, please. I'll be happy to do another reaction, bro. Please. I'll see you guys in the next video. I have to say nothing more, but in the next reaction, I'll state my mind. Please. I'll see you there. Peace.